Show me some good restaurants.
What kind of cuisine would you like? What facilities would you like to have? What's your budget for one person? Please let us know. Please tell me number of people for the table. To what email ID should I send it to? Thanks for providing all the details. We have found 2 restaurants for you. Here is list of restaurants names. Cafe Fidor. Have more restaurant. Please choose any one restaurant. Are you sure you want to book that table? Your table has been booked.